Life as a driving instructor isn't always easy. With the pressure of dealing with inquiries, marketing your services, managing your bookings, as well as repeating the same details to potential students can be exhausting. That's where we come in. Double Parked have created the perfect platform for driving instructors to manage their businesses from. You can target new clients, manage bookings and inquiries, and even feature images, testimonials, and insurance details so that learners can be sure you're a trustworthy and reliable instructor. Your very own profile will include helpful features such as instant access to your own personal calendar so that you can leave the diary at home. Connect with learners and notify them of your upcoming time off and holidays. All lessons are paid for in advance online, so no more last-minute cancellations. So why not leave the days of flicking frantically through your diary at the side of the road behind and get the helping hand you need? Visit doubleparked.co.uk today.